Anybody that is an Igbo man or Igbo woman, I want you to share this message across to all Igbos. I mean, across to all Igbos in the southeast, in the south, in the southwest. Share to Igbos abroad, Igbos in the diaspora, Igbos. I am telling you, this is night. This is the midnight when I normally speak what my God have told me. Listen, Igbos. The Lord said I should tell you to continue championing the cause of a new Nigeria. When I'm talking about a new Nigeria, you know. You know what I'm talking about. A new Nigeria. A country where you have autonomy. A country where you have rule of law. A country where there will be no infringement of people's rights. A country where the judiciary will obey the law. A country where police will always do their duty without hinge. A country where an army man will not molest people on the streets. Continue championing this cause of a new Nigeria. You know what I'm talking about. I need to speak in the language you'll understand. Continue. Don't relent. Because what I am seeing in this country called Nigeria is like a drama. A country where somebody who mutilated the Naira will be sent to jail. And somebody who stole billions will be left to go. And he will be telling us stories. Anybody that sees so person should arrest him to so person. What kind of country are we into? A country where police has the right to arrest only the poor, the minor, the poor, where the rich are not arrested. Let's take, for instance, the new drama that is happening. The EFCC. These have subjected this person to wanting. They have done this. What kind of a drama? Former Kogi state governor, EFCC went to arrest him. And they are telling us they don't know how he was whisked away, maybe from the main governor. What kind of thing are you people talking about? What kind of thing are you talking about? You met him. If this country is going to survive, if this country called Nigeria is going to survive, army, police, EFCC, Nigerian Security and Civil Defense, the customs, the immigration, all of them will be abolished because they are the cause of this country. How can you tell me an official person that was sent to go and arrest a man who has been alleged of stealing billions from the coffers of the government or the people? You go there, you start telling me the security operatives who are there did not allow you to enter. What kind of story is that? But you have the right. You have the audacity to detain a man who you said mutilated Naira. You have the right. You have the power to arrest a person who mutilated Naira, which is the fine is 50,000 Naira and 6 months prison. Than a man who stole billions. You cannot arrest him. You are only going to the local tabloid to publish that he's a fugitive, is wanted. While you know where he is staying. Who will believe this trash? Who is going to believe this trash? Who are you people fooling? A man whom you know where he is. You can access him from From his database, you can access him. From his phone, you can access him. And you are coming to deceive the public by publishing he is wanted. Wanted where? Wanted in your house. Nigeria, that is in your house. Haba, who are you people deceiving? Who are you people deceiving? Do you see why people have lost confidence in Nigeria? Do you see why? Do you see why Nigerians are being treated unnecessarily in the overseas? Do you see why? That is the reason why we are still suffering in overseas, because of bad governance. We are not suffering because of individuality. We are suffering because of bad governance. Our leaders have imposed sanctions on our head to suffer anywhere we find ourselves. Anywhere you see a Nigerian, it is one fraud or the other, where a leader will be found in graft and nothing will happen. And when a leader will be sentenced to jail and he comes back to become a president, a chairman, senator, Kaba. Where somebody will bring out his word, you charge him for felony. You will charge him for felony. Where somebody will say, I want to live a good life. I want my people to live a good life. And you crown him, you just crown him a terrorist. Give him 15 count charges. The Lord is still speaking. If you don't want to leave, tekel or fasting, even if you don't understand the Bible, you will understand the Quran. Tekel or fasting is waiting at your doorstep. The evil that will fall on you is still doing press up. Is still doing press up. If you don't turn your ways, the leaders of Nigeria, if you people don't turn your ways, you people are one old wine in a new bottle. Imagine. It was alleged that the present governor whisked the former governor away, which on a rightful instance is supposed to be the person that will arrest him for an alleged scandal or steal of billions of the community money. But he said, allegedly said he's the one that whisked him away. Now you are telling the masses, who is me that will come from overseas to come and tell you where he is. You people are not serious. When I say you people are not serious, you are not serious. Anyone coming across this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Share it across to people. Tell someone to tell someone. Let Nigeria hear this and change from their iniquity. The iniquity is alarming. It's alarming. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. I cannot stop crying until things are done right. I cannot. This country belongs to us. Nobody should run for each other. I cannot. I am a man. I cannot. I'm an elder. I cannot keep quiet and see things happen this way. May God bless all of you in the name of Jesus.